Today we're going to North Cascades National Park and camping on one of the prettiest lakes in the US. We have to rent a boat to reach the campsite, so that also means we're able to explore the whole lake, get to a secluded fire lookout tower, and experience all the beauty the national park has to offer.
Yeah, I think you gotta bring your own stuff. Cause
There's
like
a kitchen.
That feels like that N64 game.
Yeah, you're fine in the front.
The first stop of the day was at our campsite to drop off our stuff before going on a hike.
Oh, I thought you were... No! We're gonna take some time trying to get on the boat.
The next stop was about an hour up the lake to start a hike called Desolation Peak. This is a 9-mile hike with 4,500 feet of elevation gain, and it was no joke.
There's a canoe. You can figure it out.
2 hours in. Oh, that crater is so cool.
That was really cool.
$1,200 more feet of elevation in less than a mile. There's a campground this way. We're gonna stop and take a little break, and then it's 1,100 feet more vert that way. I came up to scout out the campsite. It's actually pretty sweet. We're gonna take a little break. This is a crater with a glacier inside of it.
Let's do it.
I'm not 5 miles.
There's the fire tower.
Yeah.
Less than 200 vertical feet to the top. Well, that's not even the top. There she is. And there's Canada. So it's supposed to be 4 miles, 4,000 feet of gain. Turned into 5 miles and like 4,600 feet of gain, but we made it.
This is a pretty intense sourdough bread.
I know. And then we don't, well, that's all we have.
That little outcropping on the right is our campsite, which looks pretty close right now, but it is like an hour ride away by boat, and then it's gonna be like 2.5 hours back down. So these are the North Cascades. I usually go in the Cascade mountain range. So this is the same mountain range. This is just like the federally protected national park part. Second least visited national park in the US. I don't understand it. Like, yeah, that hike was hard as balls, but it's so worth it. This mountain alone is worth it. There's a giant crater with a glacier in it. Halfway down. We are less than 1/10 of a mile away from the boat, if the boat's still there. And I haven't had water since the top. It still looks so far away. Wow. Boat's still there. Now to make it down this very steep gangplank. Oh jeez.
This is the steepest thing ever.
Yeah. Oh man.
We did it.
I'm afraid.
Oh, this is cold, but.
Let's do it. I don't know how deep it is.
My left thing. Me too. My left.
Alright. Nice.
Oh yeah.
That was nice.
Isn't this? Oh, we don't have to shower.
Yeah.
Made it back to camp.
Do you like that nature flavor, like ooze?
Yeah.
Your mom, yeah.
My girlfriend and I brought beers for after the hike, and she said she put them in the lake to cool down. But I don't know where. I was looking in the wrong spot. These are carbonated drinks. they're gonna be real shook up. Yeah, they're ready to pop.
I couldn't tell if his wife was one of his daughters or like
I know. I can't
an old niece or something.
It's 10:15 and we are going to bed. See you in the morning.
Good morning.
It's 9:40. I'm trying to get the boat back before noon, so we have a little bit of time to go up the lake a little bit and check out this really pretty area. We don't really know what it is, but the guy that rented us the boat said that it's a must-see on the lake, so that's pretty promising. So we'll head up there, check it out, and then go return the boat.
Yeah, it's pretty shallow right here.
Look at this little underwater.
Oh my god. Is that a log?
Yeah. That is
Oh no, that's a pipe. I think that's a what?
You guys all like to go fast?
Yeah.
Watching that?
We cheated and took the water taxi across the lake to cut our hike time in like half. So now we're hiking back to the car. And now it's a little bit uphill till we get back to the car. Back at the lot.